At Green Meadow, we believe that the ultimate luxury for your body, mind, soul, and home is a clean environment. From basic home cleaning to our deluxe deep cleaning packages, together we will build the best house cleaning plan that will provide you with the flexibility to customize it. We love to clean, so let us at Green Meadow take the burden of constantly cleaning your home so you can enjoy the finer things in life. And there's something magical and luxurious about coming home to a clean house. At Green Meadow, we can clean your office as well. Keeping a clean work environment shows your customers and employees you take pride in your business. There is no job too small or too large for our team to take care of, from sparkling toilets to cobweb-free corners. Log on to greenmeadowcleaning.com to see our entire list of services or call for an in-home quote. Green Meadow, the luxury that becomes a necessity. Contact us today.